In this video, we will talk about interesting facts about Experian. Experian was formerly a division of TRW, an automotive electronics giant. TRW was originally founded in 1901 as the Cleveland Cap Screw Company. They started producing screws and bolts and grew to produce many parts for the aviation and automobile industry. In the early 1960s, TRW started a Consumer Credit Information Bureau, collecting and selling consumer data, and eventually became known as TRW Information Systems. TRW Information Systems continued compiling data and were the first to start offering consumers direct credit report access in 1986. In 1991, rampant problems started appearing with TRW reported credit data. Thousands of people in a town in Vermont had tax liens inaccurately reporting against them. Similar cases started appearing in the entire Northeast, forcing the deletion of countless tax liens against the states of Vermont, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, and Maine. Dozens of lawsuits were filed against TRW, claiming sloppy procedures to create credit files, lack of response to consumer complaints, and re-reporting previously deleted incorrect data. All cases were settled out of court. TRW then created a database known as the Constituent Relations Information Systems. This system's sole purpose was to gather personal data on 8,000 politicians who held opinions on TRW. In 1996, TRW was purchased from Bain Capital and the Thomas H. Lee Partners for over $1 billion by GUS plc, a private group of investors. It was then combined with CCN, the largest credit reporting company in the United Kingdom. GUS retained the Experian name for their combined credit services subsidiary. In 2010, Experian became the first credit reporting agency licensed credit bureau to go live in India, where it continues to supply reports to the Reserve Bank of India's RBI guidelines. Currently, Experian continues to grow at a rapid pace. In 2011, they acquired a majority stake in Computech SA, a credit services provider in Colombia. They also purchased Medical Present Value, Virid Interactivate Digital Ltda, and Garlic Ltd, expanding their data and marketing reach. Experian has also become the second largest reporting agency in the business credit world. They provide business credit evaluations for over 27 million small businesses and corporations worldwide. These business records are spread over 80 countries that Experian services. Experian's reach is across 4 main geographic regions, including North America, Latin America, UK and Ireland, and EMEA, Asia Pacific. Experian's headquarters are in Dublin, Ireland. They have operational headquarters in Nottingham in the United Kingdom, Costa Mesa, California, and Sao Paulo, Brazil. Experian plc is listed on the London Stock Exchange and in a constituent of the FTSE 100 index. In March 2011, Experian claimed revenue for the prior year of $4.2 million. Currently, Experian employs over 15,000 people working in 41 countries. Experian focuses on providing quality data and analytics to businesses to help them better assess risk. They possess a massive consumer and commercial database that they manage to help businesses obtain the best and most up-to-date information. They then extract significant extra value with this data by applying their own proprietary analytics and software. Contact us today to build an excellent business credit profile and score with Experian.